First question is, bakit po kinailangan na mag-offer ng reward? Are we having difficulty locating Cassandra Ong? And what was the last information that we have kung saan siya huling nakita?
Yes, we confirmed that we're having difficulty, precisely, di ba? The reward is basically crowdsourcing to, mga kapatid, di ba? We need more information. Definitely, with the current information we have, we don't have enough. That's why we're offering the reward. Diba? And it's an effective tool. As in the past, effective tool po to for crowdsourcing of information.
Pero sir, what was the info from the Bureau of Immigration po? Kasi parang may lumalabas po na allegedly Cassandra Ong used a different passport and may feedback din po ba from the Department of Foreign Affairs kung nagagamit pa rin ba niya yung Philippine passport niya prior to the cancellation of her passport?
Based on verified information, as of today, there's no record of any departure from the Philippines. But these whereabouts still unknown to the authorities. Yeah, at again, as conveyed, may red notice na si Cassandra. Okay? We've already communicated that and that has already been issued. Yes, next question.
Sir, can you define what you meant lang po by credible, actionable information with regards to Cassandra Ong?
Credible, actionable. Pag sinabing credible, kapanipaniwala. Di ba? Tapos actionable, di ba? Baka ho nasa Batangas yan. Ang hirap nun. Di ba? Kailangan yung actionable, yung A1, real time. Nabalitaan ho namin ng July nasa Cavite raw. Paano pa namin actionan yun? Diba? So, kailangan natin relevant, real time. Diba? Yun ang tinatawag na credible, actionable. Kapanipaniwala at may detalye. Diba? Ganun po ang, sa simple pong actually, any information na makakarating doon. Kami naman, yung atin naman pong law enforcement agents ang magtitimbang yan. Kung yan ay credible o actionable. Diba?
Sir, may sinabi din po yung PAOK na ang last reported location daw po ni Ong ay Japan. Titignan po ba ito ng DOJ?
Yes, definitely. All information will be weighed. All information will be factored in. Definitely po. Tinitingnan po lahat yan.
Sir, pero makikipag-coordinate po ba sa Japanese government? Paano nyo po?
That goes without saying. That's why we maintain good diplomatic relations with our neighbors, with the international community. That goes without saying. Remember, the end objective here, and the ultimate objective is that they be brought to justice.